Hey guys, Russ here, and I'm going to do a little bit of gardening today. Let's go check it out. Alright, let's see here. Alright. So you're going to need some gloves. These little wheelbarrow. Make sure you air up the tire. Flat shovels for scraping up this stuff right here. You want to do that. Just for scraping. Now this is dig down. This one just shape. So you can kind of shape those edges. Make them nice and square. Go around. Head it up like that. Now let me see how wide I need to get. So I'm gonna go over to the old garden. And I'm just gonna check how far this is. Okay. Right about there. Come back here. Yeah, come back this way, so we need to be a little bit more. So actually, we need to come back this far. That's pretty slow, man. It's like 25 miles an hour. And you got other cars coming too. Guy driving slow. People drive crazy. The dirt over here in the west side of the river, really hard. See that? Solid almost. But I think gardening will soften it right up. Come through it. Dig. Dig some more. Some people say, well, just use a hoe and you'll do the same. No, not when you're dirt, it's like rock. It's really... Alright, with our pickaxe, garden axe, we'll come back a little bit, so we'll just dig all this out. Now I was told, well, it's sod, but I thought I heard the Cashman Nursery guy say this is called peatmoss. Just any kind of vegetation that you can use for your garden. So you can chop that up and mix it in with your dirt. That'll allow the rain and air to get in there. Okay, now, see, I can use this. Just kind of scrape it like that. See? Very simple. We want to get down maybe like a foot. Digging and digging. Remember, take a break every half an hour or so, because you'll get drained. I mean, I do anyways. Now let's square it up, make it nice and square. See that? Back. We'll just keep repeating this until we get down. Dig in. And just come back with the old garden pick. Yeah. Dig it right up. So that's my garden. If you like gardening, stay tuned, subscribe to get more videos. I'm gonna keep on doing more videos on my garden. So there it is. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.